Want to manage Instagram content directly inside Manus AI? The Manus Instagram connector lets you create, publish, and analyze Instagram content from one workspace. Start by opening your Manus account and going to the Integrations or Connectors section. From there, look for the Instagram connector and begin the setup process. You'll need to connect an Instagram professional account and complete the authorization flow so Manus can access your content tools securely. Once connected, you can ask Manus to help generate captions, create content ideas, organize posting workflows, and even publish posts, stories, or reels directly to Instagram. The connector can also retrieve engagement insights such as views, likes, comments, shares, and reach, allowing Manus to analyze performance and suggest improvements for future content. Now you know how to connect Instagram with Manus AI and manage content workflows more efficiently in one place.